Only 12 videos. More than 5 million views. An estimated $14,000 plus in monthly revenue. That's what this channel has achieved with a simple wildlife content strategy. Despite having only a handful of uploads, its videos consistently pull in tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of views. The channel creates simple animal and wildlife stories that build curiosity and suspense, keeping viewers watching to see what happens next. The best part? This style of content is much easier to create than it looks. Before I show you the process, here's a wildlife video I created using the exact same method you're about to learn.
On the dry plains, a deadly dance begins. One wrong move, and everything is lost. Do not mistake her silence for weakness. To touch her nest is to invite the storm. They are small, but their love is a mountain. Together, they stand as an unbreakable wall.
I'll walk you through everything step by step, from creating the story and visuals to adding the voiceover and putting the final video together. By the end, you'll be able to create one of these videos in less than 10 minutes. Stay until the end so you don't miss any steps. All right, let's get started. Creating your wildlife story. The first thing we need is a story idea. To make this easy, I've provided a custom prompt that can generate almost everything required for the video automatically. Instead of coming up with each part yourself, the prompt creates a complete wildlife story broken into scenes. It also generates the image descriptions, video instructions, voiceover script, and sound effects, giving you all the key ingredients needed to build the final video. A common approach is to use ChatGPT or another AI chatbot to generate the story, then move to different tools for the visuals, narration, and audio. While there's nothing wrong with that workflow, it often means jumping back and forth between several platforms and is time-consuming. For this tutorial, we're going to simplify the entire process by using TopView Canvas inside TopView AI. TopView Canvas combines planning, editing, and video generation into a single workspace, making it much easier to manage your project from start to finish. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you open the site, click Canvas, and then select Start Creating to enter the editor. Once inside, choose a video category or type in your idea. The AI assistant will help turn it into a structured video concept. Now, take the prompt I've provided, paste it into the AI chat box, and press enter. Within a few moments, the AI will generate several wildlife story concepts for you. Each one will be different, giving you multiple story options to choose from while staying within the animal and wildlife niche. Generating the images. Once the AI provides several story options, review them and select the one you'd like to use. For this example, I'll choose Scene 2, the Savannah Duel, Secretary Bird versus King Cobra. You can generate the video right away, but I recommend taking a quick look at the storyboard first. Click the drop-down menu next to Preview Storyboard to adjust your settings. Here, you can choose the resolution, aspect ratio, number of scenes, and AI model. For this tutorial, I'll set the resolution to 2K, leave the aspect ratio at 16:9, keep the number of scenes on auto, and use the default AI model. The storyboard preview is generated using GPT Image 2, allowing you to review each scene before creating the final video. When everything looks good, click Generate. TopView Canvas will create a complete storyboard with images for each scene, giving you a visual preview of your story in just a few moments. This preview makes it easy to check the visuals, pacing, and overall flow of the story, so you can make any changes before generating the final video. Generating the video. Once you're satisfied with the storyboard, the next step is to turn the scene into a video. Click on the storyboard image and select Generate Video. TopView Canvas uses Seedance 2.0 to create high-quality AI video clips. Before generating, choose your preferred resolution and video length. If you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, use a 9:16 aspect ratio. However, for this tutorial, I'll use 16:9 to match the format used by the channel we're recreating. When everything is ready, click Generate. Within a few moments, the AI will transform the image into a video clip complete with realistic motion and sound effects. Once the video is ready, preview the result and check the overall quality. If you're happy with it, download the clip and repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until your entire wildlife story clips are ready. Putting the clips together into one video. With all your video clips ready, the final step is to combine them into a complete video. While you could export each clip and edit them in another program, TopView Canvas lets you finish everything without leaving the platform. Simply click on a clip and select Add to Timeline. Repeat the process until all your scenes have been added. From there, you can rearrange the clips, fine-tune the sequence, and make sure the story flows naturally from beginning to end. Once you're satisfied, preview the final result and click Export. And that's it. You've taken a simple wildlife story idea and turned it into a complete video using a single workflow. One of the biggest advantages of Top View Canvas is its storyboard-first workflow, allowing you to plan your story visually before generating the final video with Seedance 2.0. Wildlife storytelling continues to perform strongly, with rescue, survival, and emotional animal content generating thousands to millions of views, making it a high-potential niche for creators. If you want more control over AI video creation, try Top View Canvas using the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials on AI content creation and YouTube growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.